So we planned this tournament just a month back, and we are glad the great teams have participated from South Bombay, from Pune. Players had come, and so it is almost like a state game. So we are expecting more next time. So we make it national from Hyderabad and Bangalore also.
Great.
बहुत कामयाब रहा, लोगों ने बहुत enjoy किया, और people want this tournament every month. That's what I got the comment from somebody. So let's see how it gathers in future.
सपोर्ट तो मैं इनसे लेने आया हूँ, पाजी से। ये इतना शानदार गेम है, मैंने इसके बारे में कभी सुना भी नहीं था। टेनिस सुना है, बैडमिंटन सुना है, टेबल टेनिस सुना है, उस किस्म का गेम है ये। पर ये गेम कमाल का इंटरेस्टिंग है। आज पहली बार मैं खेल रहा हूँ, और खेलते ही मेरी वाइफ है कल्याणी, इनको मैंने कहा तुम भी आ जाओ रैकेट लेके, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। वेरी सिंपल, वेरी टू मच एडिक्टिव। तो इन्होंने कहा कि भाई आपको खेलने के लिए नहीं बुलाया है, कॉन्फ्रेंस में प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए बुलाया है, नहीं तो हम गेम छोड़ ही नहीं देते। इतना मज़ा आ रहा था, इट वाज सो नाइस, फैंटास्टिक।
And within 2 minutes, I could see Serve was comfortable to play his shots and serve a perfect serve.
They wanted me to serve perfectly, क्योंकि जो गेस्ट है अगर वही सर्व ठीक से नहीं करेगा तो काम कैसे होगा। नहीं, बट ये बहुत ही शानदार, इजी, एडिक्टिव, और दिस इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर पीपल जो स्पोर्ट्स के लिए टाइम नहीं निकाल पाते, जो अपने अपने फील्ड में बहुत बिजी हैं, उनके लिए ये शाम को या अर्ली मॉर्निंग बोलिए आधा घंटा भी खेल लेंगे तो आई एम श्योर कि जो हमारी आज की समस्याएं हैं कि भाई वेट बढ़ रहा है, फैट्स बढ़ रहे हैं, पेट निकल रहा है, फलाना फलाना, तो वो तमाम चीज़ों के लिए, देन ब्लड शुगर के लिए, ब्लड प्रेशर के लिए, एजिंग जो फैक्टर्स आते हैं वक्त के साथ, उन तमाम चीज़ों के लिए। क्योंकि इसमें अगर आप बोले कि आप जॉब करके आइए तो आई डोंट थिंक मेनी पीपल विल बी इंटरेस्टेड। इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि आप जॉग भी कर रहे हैं, आगे पीछे भी जा रहे हैं, बॉडी भी टर्न हो रही है, और ये सब गेंद को पकड़ के मारने का जो इंटरेस्ट है उसकी खातिर हो रहा है, तो पता भी नहीं चल रहा है। इट इज़ सो वेरी नाइस, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई विश।
Under guidance of Bakulji, we have organized this tournament. Bakulji, few words, please.
IEP side में
लॉन्च हुआ था पहले तो थोड़े कम थे, धीरे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं लोग और जुड़ते जा रहे हैं।
नहीं, मेरे से सबसे पहले पूछा गया था पैडल बढ़ेगा कि नहीं, तो पैडल बढ़ता है एक कम्यून एफर्ट से, कलेक्टिव एफर्ट से, और मुझे लगता है ऋषि जी इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोफाउंड पैडल लवर्स। हम लोगों ने एक ग्रुप बनाया था पैडल लवर्स, एंड ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोफाउंड पैडल लवर्स इन दिस नेशन। जो मैंने आज तक ऐसा इंसान नहीं देखा जो एक गेम को लेके उसे आगे, और आज मैं आपको एक दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि इंडिया का सबसे अच्छे पैडल कोर्ट में आप लोग खड़े हैं। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पैडल कोर्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री। ये वर्ल्ड पैडल टूर का कोर्ट है। इस कोर्ट पे जैसे विम्बलडन होता है लॉन टेनिस के लिए, वर्ल्ड पैडल टूर इसी कोर्ट पे होता है। तो मुझे लगता है ऋषि जी जैसे एंथुजियास्ट जब तक हैं, पैडल ग्रो करता रहेगा और करता रहेगा।
इस मामले में मैं ऋषि जी के बारे में थोड़ी सी जानकारी देना चाहता हूँ। इनको पैडल कोर्ट का इतना शौक़ है कि ये जब इनका खुद का कोर्ट नहीं था तो ये पूना में खेलने जाते थे। बताइए, एक गेम को खेलने के लिए घंटे 2 घंटे के लिए आप 3 घंटे जाना 3 घंटे आना, कमाल का बात है ना। कितना मतलब इनको कितना दिलचस्पी होगी इस खेल में कि इनको इतना पैशन था कि ये पूना जाके खेलते थे। तो जब बकुल जी की मेहरबानी से जब ये खेल बम्बई में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ तो ऋषि जी को बकुल जी मिल गए, बकुल जी को ऋषि जी मिल गए, और एक ये शानदार कोर्ट तैयार हो गया।
So प्यार को प्यार मिलाता है, वैसी वाली बात है।
बहुत बढ़िया
कि पैडल्स से आई एम माई फर्स्ट लव।
ऐसा मत बोलो यार, योर वाइफ इज
She knows that. She knows she accepted it.
टूर्नामेंट में काम?
आज जो टूर्नामेंट हुआ है 3rd सीज़न था और हम लोगों को आज ये गेम इंडिया के 10-12 बड़े शहरों में खेला जा रहा है, तो हम लोगों ने सारे प्लेयर्स को इनविटेशन भेजा, बैंगलोर, पुणे, चेन्नई, और पार्टिसिपेशन हमने देखने को मिला. सो अल्टीमेटली वी आर सीइंग एंगेजमेंट, पार्टिसिपेशन फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द नेशन. तो ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि पहले ये गेम आज लगता था कि सिर्फ बॉम्बे वाले खेलते हैं. आज पैडल हैज़ बिकम अ रेज, and I have seen on the net and other places that whether they are cricketers or any other sportsmen, they want to engage into games like paddle. और आप लोगों ने ही मुझे बताया अभी हमारे MS धोनी साहब भी पैडल खेल रहे थे कुछ दिनों पहले. So it is such a good thing that people who are
I'm sure.
leading the cricket team are coming forward.
क्या करना चाहिए? लोग आगे आए, लोग जाने, नई जगह से जाने, क्या है ये गेम?
बस लोग एक बार खेल लें, उसके बाद लोग अपने आप खेलते रहेंगे.
एक बार खिलवा दो फुकट में.
So I'll tell you, one of the players told me very nice statement. हमने 1 लाख का प्राइज मनी रखा इन टोटल फॉर दिस टूर्नामेंट, और मुझे किसी बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर ने कहा कि सर ये प्राइज मनी हटा दो, लेकिन गेम आप टूर्नामेंट्स आप चालू रखो हर महीने.
खेलने का लोगों को दीवानगी है इसकी. टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं, टूर्नामेंट कराने में एक बहुत एफर्ट जाता है, प्लानिंग जाती है, एग्जीक्यूशन जाता है. एंड पीपल हु आर इन द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, हु आर लीडिंग अदर कंपनीज, इन लोगों को टाइम निकालना. एंड आई थिंक पीपल लाइक वरुण एंड आदि हैव बीन great contributors in organizing this event.
For sure, Bakul ji, Rishi ji, they've been amazing to grow the sport in the nation. I feel like we've been enjoying. Without their presence, it wouldn't have been possible. Like sir said, we used to travel a couple of hours to play games before, but now there are courts in every suburb in Bombay, and it's just great for us to enjoy these. Thank you, and we hope we can keep the sport
Few
going.
words, Chaitya, please. How was your experience? Please.
Come.
You're the winners. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Yeah, amazing experience. Thank you all for organizing. I know we've actually played against each other before, but yeah, had a really great time. Great venue. Yeah, would love to be back. Please organize another one soon. And yeah, thanks everyone.
Few words from you.
Yeah, thank you to the organizers. Firstly, they've been great. The event went off very smoothly and everything was on time, which was unusual in the paddle world. And thank you to Adi and everyone really involved, the media, the ball boys, the referees and everyone. Everything's been world class and we'll be back next year.
So हमने ये time basically we have come up with a new concept where we divide the levels into 3. So we have open doubles for intermediate and also for beginners to encourage their participation. Generally cash prize होता नहीं है beginners में, but because of Rishi ji and Bakul ji, we've also given cash prize for beginners. And so intermediate is obviously where everyone competes. Beginner is they are getting into the sport and they're learning the curve, so that is good. And we obviously had mixed doubles so that we can encourage more participation. Obviously Rishi ji and Bakul ji have been instrumental in growing the sport in the country, having paddle courts in the country, and yeah, that's it. We had over 50, we had over 50 matches and almost more than 50 players playing from across the country. So that was a good thing here. And all in all, the competition was good, paddle level was good, and big thanks to them. And can we call him to say a few words, please? Please.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
The producer, the financer.
So we started this as a just to have a Rishi playing this game, and he got this to this level. I am just surprised to see this level of participation in this game, and we hope to take it to next level. And I am hoping to have few more courts like this in near future.
So for the prize money, you actually have for the open doubles, the intermediates, we have 35,000 for the winners, 21,000 for the runners-up, and even for a third place, because of Bakulji and Rishiji, we have 11,000. For the beginners, we are giving for the winners a couple of rackets and also 11,000. For the runners-up, we are giving for runners, we are giving 2 rackets, and these rackets are not cheap, by the way. And for the mixed, for the winners, it's 15. runners up is 10, and third place is 7 or 6. Yeah. So everybody has prize money, rackets, and all in all, it's a wonderful tournament. And people have traveled not only from across Bombay, which is obviously a lot, but also from Pune and other cities. So, yeah. So with their blessings, we'll have more tournaments. This is the third season, but the players have been requesting increase the frequency of the tournament. Maybe even if there's no cash prize, as he said, they all want to play. So the addiction is there, and yeah, we hope to have more tournaments with their blessings. The amateur doubles. So for the amateur doubles, first of all, in the third place, we had Prashant and Gulshan. Third place. Trophy is not there. I'll take the trophy. He'll take Gulshan's trophy. Whether?
You are Gunjan or you are Prashant?
Gulshan. I'm Prashant. Gulshan is not there.
तो एक देते हैं ना भाजी इनको गुलशन तो आया नहीं तो एक ही देते हैं ना
So the amateur runners-up and winners unfortunately are not here. So we'll move on to the mixed doubles. So for the mixed doubles, in bronze medal, third place, we have Rishi and Nupur. Nupur not here, but Rishi will take it on his behalf. And who's giving it? He has come from Dubai to play this tournament, and I hope his experience has been good. Please. And hello.
I don't know what to say now. Just came to Mumbai for playing a tournament last week. Then Adi was asking me to play another tournament was happening here. I was so curious. Back-to-back tournament is happening in my country. Okay, let's see how it's going to happen. And the tournament was amazing. As Mr. Baku said, organizing a tournament, it's not easy. And finding the players and organizing tournaments, execution, that's the main thing. It was fantastic. Yeah, enjoyed a lot. I hope I can play more tournaments in this court. Thank you so much to Mr. Rishi. Thank you, guys.
I call upon for mixed doubles couples winner Adi and Sonashi.
Sonashi is not here, but I can.
आइए ना आप आइए ना
Thank you. Partner is not here, but.
अभी दूँ
Thank you.
ये किस काम के लिए दे रहे हैं नहीं ये प्राइस क्या है ये
थर्ड ये
Mixed
trophy
doubles.
जीते हैं. He's a player also.
Okay, congratulations to Adi for winning a trophy, and this is to eat very well. Some money by the organizers.
Thank you. In third position, again, all the way from Dubai and from Mumbai, Famaz and Varun Mudasha.
Varun is winning a trophy every season.
I'm trying to make a bigger trophy, sir.
You'll get another one after.
Intermediate runner-up 2, right?
Intermediate runner-up, runner-up 2.
Second runner.
Sorry.
Done, this is done. हो गया मेरा काम सिर्फ पैसे देना भाई यही है
आपका ही बोल
यही काम आता है पता है ना
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
आपका ना Adi again
Amit.
and Amit. Congratulations. Thank you both of you.
And-
lovely.
And Amit is from Panama, yeah, so international tournament.
Oh really?
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Great tournament, well organized. Thanks to everyone. Great courts, great atmosphere. It's a great sport. I encourage everyone to start playing. Thank you.
Now for the Open Intermediate winners, they've been from the group stages they've been solid, amazing retrieving. The attack has been good. The serving has been immaculate. Chaitanya and Abhimanyu.
And this envelope little thicker than the other one. Congratulations.
And they've already said.
Thank you again. It's been a great tournament. I feel like I missed out on the last few tournaments with all of these guys, so it's great to be back. playing tournaments again. Had a lot of fun, really well organized, and excited for the next one.
There were no easy matches from the group stage to the playoffs. Everything's been really hard. And I think the level will only keep going up as the sport gets more and more popular. So I'm looking forward to the next tournament and competing at the next one. Thank you.
Phil, as a sport, for all of you to know, is a blend of squash and tennis. And it started in Mexico and now is the fastest growing sport in the world. Now almost 100 countries are playing paddle, and as a federation, we as Paddle Tennis Federation were the pioneers in getting paddle in India. So the first court that we started was 3 years ago, and now paddle is mushrooming all over the country. Rishi ji is a part of our federation, and so are a lot of sports enthusiasts. So these are small units and small tournaments, and eventually it will grow in period and time to come. So I wish all the paddle players very good luck and love to paddle. Thank you.
और ऋषि बिना ट्रॉफी लिए हम आपको जाने नहीं देंगे।
You are next winner, sir.